welcome to the video. This is going to be the video where I'm going to show you how to set up your autoresponder. And autoresponder stands for sending emails to people. But what we want to do here, remember, we promised our customers or our leads to give them a free ebook. So I'm going to show you how to do that and where to find the ebook or how to create one if you don't have. So for this example, we're going to be still using our website, which is the one about the solar. So we told them that we're going to give them a free solar DIY guide. So this is going to be a PDF book. In most cases, I send personally a lot of PDF books or a video series. So you can either send a video or just a PDF to your leads. So how to find the PDF first? There are a couple of ways. The first one is the easiest one, and this is ClickBank. Now, some vendors, if I go to ClickBank, if you go to the affiliate members area, they would have a lead magnet here. So let's see if we have. I don't think we do have a lead magnet. So I have just the ad materials, the ad banners, and the download all the keywords. So that's what I have. Usually what I always do, I always go over to the contact page of this vendor, and I just send them an email, copy this email, and I just send them an email. I introduce myself and I say, hey guys, I'm going to be promoting your offer. Do you guys have a lead magnet I can use? And in most of the cases, these are very big vendors. They're very skilled marketers, and most of the time they do have lead magnets, and then they send you a lead magnet. So I can show you. But if they don't, for some reason, if they don't have any lead magnets, then I'm going to show you on ClickBank, let's say another offer, which is the keto offer, keto diet. Let's say, where was the offer I was looking the other day? Original keto, custom keto diet. There we go. This one, it has 423 gravity. And by the way, I'm building a funnel about the keto diet, so I'll let you know how that goes. Because keto diet is very, very lucrative. As you can see, 423 gravity. But what they have a lot of shit going on their affiliate page, and I'm sorry, I apologize for my French, but if you click their affiliate members area right here, you see, okay, I have to do affiliate. I don't want to do, I'm already subscribed to your stupid affiliate links. There we go. So yeah, I'm already subscribed, but you subscribe here with your email, your name, your email, and then you're going to have access to this thing, which is the affiliate members area, membership area. And on the left side, you have a lot of information you can use either in your landing pages, your ads, your targeting, etc. So what we have, product information. And by looking at this, you can tell that this vendor for the custom keto diet, they know what they're doing, and that's why they have 400 gravity, because look how many materials they provide for their affiliates. So they have this, what is the product, then they have banners, social media, and then look at this, lead magnets. So I can click lead magnets, and I can download a lead magnet for free. So I can just download this lead magnet. Let's see how it looks like. Usually it's a PDF guide, so let's save this and let's open it. And voila, it looks a delicious keto, easy keto recipes. So basically this is something you can provide to your customers, to your leads for free, and that's a free ebook. And as you can see, it's very long, it's pretty nice. Look at that, so many stuff going on here. So like I said, some cases the vendor will have lead magnets, and some cases they don't. If they don't, ask them if they have, and in the rare cases, if they say no, we don't have any lead magnets, then here comes another option. I use a website called IDPLR, and the PLR stands for private label rights. Basically, this is a paid website, by the way. I think it's like $300 a year or something like that, but it's worth it, because here what we can do, I can go to the search right here. Here on the right side, you have lots of lead magnets. You can basically, this is a website you can take materials for free of copyright usage, so you don't going to get into any copyright infringement. As you can see, we have a bunch of articles and books we can use, but they have a search here. So in the search I can type, let's see, where is the search? There we go. So in the search I can type, actually here at the top, I can type solar, and let's see if they have anything for solar. I just hit enter. Why it's not loading? Solar, come on. No, let's write here solar. Okay, so now it's loading, kind of slow. All right, so solar, what they have for solar? Money chakra secrets, 10 green marketing content articles, no sense for living off the grid, with the grid, renewable energy. Here is a guide I can use. Solar water heater flipping niche book. Perfect. So I can actually open this on a new tab, open link on a new tab, and then I can alternative energy riches. This is a good one. Saving power, saving the world, pretty good. Solar power basics newsletter, solar powered lifestyle, going green energy, solar power sensation, solar power sensation again, my solar powered life. So as you can see, we have a lot. I can even try to refine this to just a solar panel if they have any. But if they don't, we can either tweak. So I don't see if they have solar panels, so they don't. So in that case, I can just go here, and this is the one I opened, the renewable energy. I can click preview, and here is the folder that they're going to give me, but I can click just download, and let's download. I'm going to create a new folder called books or ebooks, or just lead magnets, just like that. Hit create, and then save, and then I'm going to open this folder, and let's see what we have. So this is the folder, and what they gave us website, ebook, and the cover. So let's go to the ebook, and here is the ebook. So you can use it for free. There we go. Nice lead magnet, very nice. So in the case that you don't find exactly what you were looking for, but it's very similar, and this one is very similar, renewable energy, I can just go back to System.io and maybe change the front page to get your renewable energy guide ebook instead of get your solar DIY panel ebook. You know what I mean? That's how I do it pretty much most of the time. And there are two more options. Second one, maybe the third option is, if you really want to stick with your solar DIY panel, then the third option is create one yourself. And how you can just create a PDF yourself, and this is by just collecting data from Google. And this is how it goes, and I've done that before. I try not to do it because it takes some time, and I usually pay somebody to do it for me. I usually use Upwork, but you can use Fiverr, and I'm going to show you how to use Upwork or Fiverr if you want. But if you don't want to pay anyone, you can just start typing on Google solar DIY panel tips, and DIY solar panel tips, build your own. So first website, I can just click this website, and I can start looking at the tips, and I can see, okay, here is how they build it. This is what we need. And I can literally start copying, let's say from this website, I'm going to copy the first step, which is this one, I guess. You can get cheap solar cells from places like Amazon, eBay, or Sun Electronics, to name just a few options on this list of PV resources. Your research should also show there are numerous solar cells type to choose from. This includes Chinese, Japanese, American, blah, blah, blah. So right here, I can just copy this text, maybe change it a little bit, and create my own PDF. Then I can go on. I mean, this is going to be my first sentence, so I don't get into any copyright infringement. But the other option is, actually, there is another option. This is actually a full guide, full-on guide. This is basically a guide. Lay out your panel, write the solar panel system, test your work. That's it. It's a nice guide. So what I can do is actually I can take this as my own. I can actually go to the website. Usually I go to the bottom, and let's say, where is the contact us? So I click contact us right here, and I've done that as well. So on the contact us, I say my name, my email, my website, and then I say, hey guys, can I use some of, or I can state can I use your DIY solar panel article to give it to my email list as a lead magnet. Of course, that's just a very short sentence. I'm going to introduce myself. I'm going to say, hey guys, I'm a Ross Minchev, or I'm just anyone. I'm a marketer. I have a bunch of properties. I do a lot of advertising. Can I use your article as a lead magnet? And I am going to keep all of your links so you get credit for that. So of course you're going to keep all of their links so you don't get in trouble. It's a win-win situation. Basically, you give value to your people, and then you keep all the links to this website, Green Living Ideas. It's simple. And by the way, don't try to find just the simplest article. Read all the articles that you find. Make sure they're valuable, because like I said, and again, I'm going to repeat myself so many times, the more value you provide to people, the more they're going to buy from you, and the more they're going to trust you and recommend their friends to your website, and then they can opt in as well. So if these people say yes, then what I usually do, I just hold down Control or Command and P on my keyboard, and Google Chrome will automatically print my this document. There we go. So this is going to be like the guide, and I have to clean it up a little bit. But usually, what if you're not using Mac, if I copy this URL, but on the Mac, what I have, if I go to Safari and I open a new tab and I paste this website on the Mac, I can say command and what was I forgot the option, command and so I forgot the option, so I have to go to edit, actually to view, and then show reader. So let's show reader. There we go. So basically, Safari will clean up all the ads and everything from the website, and it's going to show me a very nice, to the eye, legitimate PDF guide. Look at that. Pretty cool, isn't it? So from here, what I can do, I don't know why it's not displaying this image. I have to check that out. Maybe choose another website. But from here, I can just hold down Command and P again. And no printer selected. I don't want to print that. I want, as you can see here, to save this as PDF. So I'm going to click Save as PDF. Save as PDF. And I'm going to save it not here, but where I created the folder called Lead Magnets. And I'm going to hit Save. And let's open this folder with the lead magnets, ebooks, not this one that I have, lead magnets. And this is the one I just created, DIY Solar, boom. We have preserved their links, the ROI, guest contributor, this is the website, Green Living Ideas. There we go. This is their website again. I'm giving them credit. I'm not trying to hide it. I'm not trying to make this myself, my own article. I don't want to do that. And people don't really care, and I don't really care. I mean, I'm trying to make people happy with their PDF article, etc. So that's the third option. And the fourth option is to just go on Fiverr or Upwork and find someone to make it for you and pay him like $100 or $50 I think $50 are fine. So here on Fiverr, you can just type PDF or something like that. I never used Fiverr, by the way. I mean, Fiverr for this purpose, I use it for other tasks, but I haven't used Fiverr. I usually use Upwork, but Upwork is more expensive than Fiverr because the Upwork people are more skilled. And if you go on Upwork, and I actually have some of my employees, I found them on Upwork. So my VAs, I have a web developer as well, and so I use Upwork a lot. But that's about the options. Now, once you got once you get your PDF, your lead magnet from any website or from IDPOR or from the vendor, I gave you, guys, I gave you so many options, so you can literally, I mean, you should not have any issues with that. So once you have your lead magnet, go to your System.io. I love these two so much, so I'm gonna show you why. It's not just an email builder, it's not just a funnel builder, it's not just a tool to build landing pages. It also has automation rules. This is more advanced, but the other thing that it has is email, newsletters, campaigns, etc. So for just so little money, like, I mean, this tool is very, very cheap compared to like MailChimp, Aweber, GetResponse. These mail companies will charge you hundreds of dollars per month, and in System.io I can just go to my front page. This is start the quiz page. Then I can go to automation rules, and here I can say trigger, and on the right side it says action, and on the action I'm going to click the plus sign, and from this menu I'm going to choose send an email. So look at that. So now I don't have an emails, but when you click this plus sign, you see this one right here, click that, and voila, System.io will automatically send an email to someone who subscribes or opts in as a lead. So what we want to do here is, in the subject I'm going to say your free guide is here, like that, is here, exclamation mark. And so let's say your free solar or green energy guide or solar DIY guide, whatever the case is, your case. So your free solar DIY guide is here. Sender name, put your name. This is what people will see. So now a sender name, you can use your own name. I recommend you use your own name, or you can just use support at your domain name, the one that you registered with Namecheap. Support the domain name. Actually, I'm talking bullshit. So just type support. That's it. Support. If you don't want to put your name, and sender email address. This should be the email address you registered with Namecheap. Okay, this should be this address. So for example, I'm going to leave it to ross@rossminchev.com. And in here, we're going to say, this is the body. We're going to say, hello there. Thank you very much for visiting our website. That your free ebook can be downloaded from the attachments. There we go. And then have a blessing day, or have a great day. Have a great day. And then you can say your name, Ross Minchev, if you want, or you can say have a great day, team, your website. So for example, I can say team bright ideas daily, or I can say team solar DIY.com, whatever the domain, your domain is, but don't put the .com, just team solar DIY, perfect, team, like that. And then from the attachments, click add attachment, choose a file, and from here just find the ebook that you have downloaded. So let's say I have lead magnet, which is renewable energy, or the one I just downloaded from the actual website. So let's say this one, click open, and perfect, it's attached, the email is here, everything should look pretty good. What we need to just click save, and let's see now if it's going to be saved. Hopefully it is. Come on, kind of slow. Yep, perfect, we're ready to go. And then we're gonna click save rule right here. So click save rule, and voila, automation rule has been saved. This is insane. I mean, this tool, System.io, gives you so many different little tools that you can use that it's unbearable. I mean, I can't believe they have products and sales. You can create affiliate members areas. You can create your own affiliate system. You have the automation rules for email campaigns. You can create blogs. You can create newsletters and email campaigns. Again, funnels. Anyways, so go to step confirmation. And here, if you remember last video, a couple of videos ago, I deleted the meta refresh. So now what we need to test the entire funnel. And again, you're going to see me testing the funnel many times throughout this training, but test it more times. You don't want to be in a position where your funnel is broken and people are landing on a broken funnel and you're not converting them. So go over to the thank you page. I'm going to do it real quick. And here from the edit button, we're going to put the meta refresh one more time. So here I'm going to insert the raw HTML and we're going to test this funnel and see if we get the email in our email inbox. I mean, this is what we're going to do, but give me a second. So here is a tip. Go back to the W3 school, copy your meta refresh, but this time, so it doesn't refresh and you can't edit the page as we saw. So for that reason, go to System.io, click this, edit the code, paste your code, but this time instead of content 1 that I show you, put 5 seconds. So it means 5 seconds, it will take 5 seconds to redirect to the URL, so you will have time to test. And once you're done with testing, once you're sure that your funnel is working just perfect, then you can switch it to back to 1. Oops. Okay, just like that. I said 5. So I'm gonna click save. Oh, no. Actually, it's going to redirect now, maybe. Yes. Ah, shoot. It started redirecting. God damn it. I had to change my URL here before we do that. Go to ClickBank. I have to do it real quick. Come on. Let's do it quickly. And then we're going to test the funnel. Copy this affiliate link. Go back to the editor. And then paste my URL right here. Paste the URL. And save this bad boy. And save these changes before it redirects me, and exit. And now I have my email right here opened. So let's see this email. We're going to oh, this one redirected right away. Come on, man, we don't want to see that. So let's go and test the entire funnel. Let's go to funnels. Actually, come on, funnels, sower, and here start the quiz. And now we're going to see the funnels. Actually, let's copy the entire quiz and we want to test this quiz. So let's open the quiz and start answering the questions, go through all the steps and see if we get the PDF ebook into our email. Okay, so we're going to insert our email right here down below to test that out. But before we do, let me open my email inbox so we can see primary, it's empty. And now let's go and just paste my email here, and this is my email. So let's click watch the video, proceed. The video is loading. It's going to take 5 seconds to redirect to ClickBank, as we already stated that into meta refresh. And yep, it's redirecting. Perfect. That is awesome. The funnel works fine so far. So let's go back to my email inbox to see if I got the email. Still nada. So it might take a couple of minutes or a couple of seconds. So let's refresh this page to see if we have anything here. Okay, nothing still. If I go to my spam, maybe it's in spam. No, it's not here. All right, so let's see why I didn't get the email. You see, that's why you have to kind of test everything to make sure that everything is fine. I don't know how. Usually it should be instant, but maybe my funnel is not active. Let me see if that's the case. No, it should be active. So automation rules. Oh yeah, I messed it up. So I apologize, folks. So I did the automation rule on the step number 1, and that's not where we should have it. We should have it on the email opt-in where I leave my email. So let's go back here to the email opt-in. You see, I did a little stupid thing here. So let's go to the actual email opt-in, and when we have to create the automation rule here. There we go. So click this again, same procedure, send an email, and this time I already have the email. So let's see, your solar free PDF is here. So click save rule. Perfect. Now it should be saved. So let me click save one more time to make sure everything is saved. Go to step configuration. Perfect. So let's test it again. Let's test this bad boy again, and I'm just going to open this landing page. I can click see the funnel step. So let's try to test the email autoresponder again. Paste my email, watch the video, loading. Let's see if we get an email now. Again, it's not instant. It should take a couple of seconds and minutes. Still nothing, nada. So let's see what is happening. Leave. Just make sure everything works. Okay, why is still not getting the email? Not quite sure. Oh, there we go. You see, when I refreshed, voila, perfect. So we have our support. As you can see, support. Your free solar DIY guide is here. Click this, and there you go. It's sent from me via System.io support. Hello, blah blah blah. This is your email. This is blah blah blah, and this is my guide. So everything works just fine. Awesome. We've created everything, and it's working perfectly. So that's about it for this video. Again, maybe there is a lot of information, and in each of my videos I have a lot of information, but pause each video, watch it a couple of times, do it yourself, do each video as a step, try to do it again and again. If you can't do it, if you're not getting the information, again, pause the video like on minute number 5, do the steps, then watch the video until minute number 10, do the steps, and then watch through the entire video or something like that. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.